Why does your scanner show the P0125 engine code? What does it mean? P0125 is a diagnostic trouble code for insufficient coolant temperature for closed-loop fuel control. It indicates the ECM has not detected sufficient engine heat for the fuel management system to take control of the fuel delivery. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty engine coolant temperature sensor. Low coolant levels or coolant leaks. Thermostat issues. Wiring problems. ECM problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, and General Motors. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.